Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Modern minimalist kitchen design epitomizes the adage less is more, blending sleek aesthetics with high functionality to create spaces that are not only beautiful but also highly efficient. This design philosophy focuses on clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and a limited color palette, resulting in a sophisticated and serene environment that serves as the heart of the home. At its core, minimalism in kitchen design aims to strip away the unnecessary, leaving behind only what is essential. This means every element in a minimalist kitchen is chosen for its utility and aesthetic contribution. The result is a space that feels open, airy, and incredibly stylish. Key features often include flat-fronted cabinets, integrated appliances, and a monochromatic or limited color scheme, usually dominated by whites, blacks, and neutral tones. In a minimalist kitchen, cabinetry plays a crucial role. Flat panel or slab doors without ornamentation are a hallmark, providing a sleek and unobtrusive look. Handleless cabinets, often featuring touch latch mechanisms or integrated pulls, further enhance the seamless appearance. Storage solutions are meticulously planned to keep countertops free of clutter. Deep drawers, pull-out pantry shelves, and hidden compartments ensure that everything has its place, maintaining the clean and orderly aesthetic. The choice of materials and finishes in a minimalist kitchen is critical to achieving the desired look. High-quality materials such as quartz, marble, and stainless steel are popular for their durability and luxurious appeal. Matte finishes are preferred over glossy ones, as they offer a more understated and sophisticated look. However, incorporating natural elements like wood can add warmth and texture, preventing the space from feeling too stark or clinical. A minimalist kitchen typically employs a restrained color palette. Whites and neutrals dominate, creating a bright and spacious feel. Black accents can add depth and contrast, while shades of gray offer a sophisticated middle ground. To introduce warmth and personality without disrupting the minimalist ethos, consider subtle touches of color through natural elements like wooden cutting boards, potted herbs, or even a strategically placed piece of art. Lighting is a fundamental aspect of minimalist kitchen design. The goal is to maximize natural light, which enhances the sense of space and cleanliness. Large windows or skylights are ideal, but where natural light is limited, modern lighting solutions such as recessed lights, under-cabinet LEDs, and sleek pendant lights can provide ample illumination. Fixtures should be simple and unadorned, often in finishes like brushed metal or matte black to complement the overall aesthetic. In a minimalist kitchen, appliances should blend seamlessly with the surroundings. Built-in or integrated appliances are ideal as they maintain the clean lines and uncluttered look. When freestanding appliances are necessary, opting for streamlined, contemporary designs in stainless steel or neutral colors ensures they do not disrupt the visual harmony of the space. Concealed range hoods and induction cooktops with smooth surfaces also contribute to the sleek, modern appearance. A well-designed minimalist kitchen is not only about looks but also about efficiency. The layout should facilitate easy movement and workflow, often adhering to the kitchen work triangle principle, which optimizes the relationship between the sink, stove, and refrigerator. Open shelving can be used strategically to keep frequently used items within easy reach, while closed cabinetry hides less attractive necessities. The minimalist approach often extends to accessories and cookware, favoring multipurpose items that reduce the need for excessive storage. While minimalism emphasizes simplicity, it does not mean a lack of personality. Thoughtfully selected decor items can add character and warmth to the space. A single piece of art, a beautifully crafted vase, or a stylish fruit bowl can serve as focal points without overwhelming the room. Greenery, such as potted herbs or a small indoor plant, can introduce a touch of nature, enhancing the inviting atmosphere. Modern minimalist kitchen design is about creating a space that is as functional as it is beautiful. By focusing on simplicity, quality materials, and thoughtful details, this design approach results in kitchens that are both timeless and contemporary. The blend of sleek lines, uncluttered spaces, and subtle elegance ensures that the kitchen remains a welcoming and efficient hub of the home, reflecting both the homeowner's style and the principles of modern design. As we come to the end of today's video, I hope you found some inspiration and ideas for your own interior design projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and creative solutions for transforming your space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below which design element you liked the most. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy decorating!